Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today let's go over a premium medium question that I solved around half a year ago. So this one is called find the nearest right node in a binary tree. So you're given the root of a binary tree. This is an array. This looks like an array, but it's not. And you want to return the nearest node on the same level that is to the right of it. So in this case, 4's nearest right node is 5. In this case, it doesn't exist. So pretty simple as long as you know how to find u. So we can either traverse the tree using a depth first search or a breadth first search, but it makes more sense to do BFS in this case. Go level by level and then find the current u value in, which is a tree node, inside of the level if it exists. So let's call this uval is u.val, since this is a tree node object. And then let's call this a queue, append the root. And then while the queue is not empty, go over every single level from left to right. So the current iteration, this for loop, is going to hold the current nodes in the current level. And let's call this cur is d.pop left because we are going to pop from the front of the stack and check that the current node is not none before appending, before appending the node's value to a list called level. And then add to the deck, so the level is different from the queue, the current node's left child and then the current node's right child as well, so we can process them in future iterations. If level and then print current. If level, we just print the level list in. Okay, so let's see what's going on. This doesn't look correct to me. 1, 2, 3 instead of, oh, sorry, left and right, not the same node twice. So now we have all the levels. We can say if u value is in level, then for I in range length level, if level of I is equal to u value, then if I plus 1 is less than length of level, we just return level of I plus 1. Otherwise, if it's too far to the right, return none. So an object has no attribute value. So, okay. Level of I, yes, that's the current value because we appended the value. So that's the length of level. Okay, I'm not sure why this is not working. So let's print the level. Okay, so target is going to be level.index of u value. Let's print target. It's going to give you index 0. So then what we want is target plus 1. If target, if want is bigger than or equal to the length of level, return none. Yep, because it returns none. Otherwise, return level of want. Has no attribute value. Where is this error coming from? Target plus 1, level.index u value. Int object has no attribute value. So this is odd. Yeah, if the u value, why is this not working? I'm confused. So we're fine, we're printing the level, but level.index u value, yeah. Oh, maybe we return a tree node, not an integer. Okay. Oh, cool. So there we go. So not the most efficient, but again, I did just come up with this on the fly. Just got to pay attention to the return types, not an integer, a tree node of that integer. So hopefully this wasn't too confusing. Just go through the levels left to right, one by one. Check if the current node is in the level. If it is, then see if there's something to the right, aka it's not the last one in the, it's not the only one or the most rightmost node. U is not the rightmost node in the level. And if it's not, then return right plus one. If it's is, then return nothing, right? It's because there is no rightmost node. So thank you for watching and stay tuned for more.